It's Levi with Project Junkeez. Today I decided that I was going to sit down and answer a bunch of the questions that I get on a regular basis when I'm doing my estimates, or even after I do an estimate. I'll have customers shoot me an email or text with questions regarding what the work looks like, what the scope looks like, what the timeline looks like, different things of that nature. So I wanted to actually answer those questions before I even start working for you. That way, going into the project, you know that you've picked the right contractor and we're going to deliver on what we've told you that we would. Let's see, what's the next one? How can we contact you? I kind of went over that a little bit. So how can you contact me? The easiest way is going to be by phone, and that number is listed everywhere, all social media, the web page, Facebook, Yelp, and phone is definitely going to be the easiest way to get a hold of me. And typically it's either myself or the admin that picks up the phone, and we try to answer the phone every time, every customer, every time. Now, every once in a while I can't grab the phone, and if I can't grab the phone at that time, then leave me a message, or you can shoot me a text, and either way I'll get back to you. Text is great because you can send me your first and last name, obviously I'll have your telephone number, but your address, your email address, and then the nature of the project. And if you have any pictures that coincide with the project, text is a great way to get a hold of us. And it's not my personal number, it is the business number. So we'll have all of that information saved for you, which is great. So if you don't want to do phone or text, then obviously you can do email, or you can go through any of the messaging channels on any of the social medias. We'll answer all of that as well. So pretty easy to get a hold of us.